In this video, I am excited to introduce a Bolson chair, a unique piece of sustainable furniture that integrates smart sensing and modular design to meet the growing demand for eco-friendly and functional furniture in modern living spaces. Our choice of material is essential for the chair's sustainability. Bamboo is selected for its renewable, durable, and naturally antibacterial features, and oak wood is selected for its superior hardness and strength. These two materials are used to build the base of the chair, and recycled metals form the frame and mechanical components, reducing the demand for new materials. We also use smart textiles that are self-powering, eliminating the need for frequent maintenance and reducing energy consumption, thus aligning well with the sustainable goals by minimizing energy use. The chair's assembly method can involve mortars and tension construction. The choice of materials is essential to the chair's sustainability. We select bamboo for its unique feature that it is renewable, durable, and naturally antibacterial. Also, oak wood is also used for its hardness and strength. These two materials are used to build the base of the chair. Recycled metals form the frame and mechanical components, reducing the demand for new materials. We also use smart textiles that are self-powering, eliminating the need for frequent maintenance and reducing energy consumptions, thus aligning well with the sustainable goals by minimizing energy use. The chair's assembly method can involve a special construction, which eliminates the need for harmful substances, ensuring secure and sustainable structure. The seat, inspired by the shape of petals and a flower cone, is padded with sustainable sourced organic cotton and natural latex foam, both chosen for their eco-friendly properties. These materials not only make the chair eco-friendly, but also ensure durability and comfortable for users. Now let's discuss the structure and technological features of the Bolson chair. The chair's mechanical structure enables each pedal to be adjusted via a hydraulic mechanism. A touchscreen control panel allows users to fine-tune settings, including the angle adjustments and activate massage functions and heat functions. Each pedal also contains smart sensor that detects the user's posture, automatically adjusting the chair's shape for enhancing comfort and reducing energy usage. To charge the chair, it features an optional solar-powered module designed for the outdoor use. The reason why applying such module is that utilizing such renewable energy can reduce the greenhouse gas emission, which is crucial to sustainability. Additionally, we incorporate with NeuroRadar, an innovative sensing technology inspired by the neuromorphic design, which enables highly accurate and energy-efficient posture detection. The last but not least technique we use is a passive infrared sensor, which can detect body heat, while capacitive sensors sense proximity changes while using minimal energy, which supports sustainability. One of our key focuses was ergonomic design. The Bolson chair's structure is designed to optimize sitting angles, particularly in the backrest based on the ergonomic research. The pedals are arranged for the natural curvature of the spine, reducing strain and improving posture for extended periods. We also use green and lavender tones to create a calm, nature-inspired atmosphere, which can have a positive effect on psychological well-being. The modularity of Bolson chair allows for significant customization. Users can adjust pedal length and curvature to suit their comfortable needs. Additionally, our localized approach to production means the chair can be assembled and maintained at local facilities, reducing the environmental impact of transportation and packaging. This approach not only extends the product life cycle, but also encourages sustainable usage habits among users by making repairs and replacements accessible.